Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're trying to take control of your money but you're not sure where to start, the 50-30-20 rule is one of the simplest budgeting strategies out there. And yes, it actually works. I think that everybody has heard of this, but if you haven't, no worries, I got you. In this video, I'll break down exactly how the 50-30-20 rule works, step by step, and show you real-life examples using different income levels, so you can apply it to your own budget today. So let's start with the basics. What is the 50-30-20 rule? It is a simple budgeting method that divides your after-tax income into three main categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Let's break that down. 50% for needs. These are your must-haves. Think rent, groceries, electricity, water, transportation, insurance, minimum debt payments, anything you truly can't live without. 30% for wants. This is your fun money. It includes eating out, streaming services, shopping, hobbies, vacations, things you enjoy but don't absolutely need to survive. And 20% for savings or debt repayment. This is your future money. It goes toward your emergency fund, paying off credit cards, investing, or saving for big goals like a house or retirement. Now let's put it into action with a real example. Let's say you take home $3,000 per month after tax. Here is how it breaks down. 50% for needs equals $1,500. That might cover rent, $900 groceries, $300 utilities and transport, $300. 30% for wants equals $900 you could budget. Eating out, $200. Streaming, entertainment, $100. Shopping, gym, hobbies, $600. 20% for savings equals $600, maybe split like this. Emergency fund, $200. Credit card payment, $200. Roth IRA or investments, $200. It is clean, simple and easy to track. But what if your income is lower? Let's look at another example. $1,800 per month. Needs, 50% of $1,800 is $900. That might include shared rent, a transit pass and basic groceries. Wants, 30% is $540. You'll need to be more selective. But you still have a budget for fun. Savings, 20% is $360, maybe $150 toward debt, $50 into a savings jar, and $160 into a high-yield savings account. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Even if you can't hit those exact percentages every month, the 50-30-20 rule gives you a structure that helps you stay in control. So why does this rule actually work? First, it gives your money structure. When you know exactly how much to spend on needs, wants, and savings, it's easier to make smart choices. Second, it allows balance. You don't have to give up fun entirely. You're allowed to enjoy life guilt-free, as long as it fits within that 30%. Third, it builds good habits. Most people don't save because they spend first and try to save what's left. This rule flips that. You save first, then spend with intention. Over time, these habits add up, and that's what leads to real financial progress. Now let's go over a few pro tips to make the 50-30-20 rule work for you. Pro tip 1. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers the day your paycheck hits. That way, you never accidentally spend your savings. Pro tip 2. Track your spending weekly. This helps you spot leaks early, before they turn into big problems. Use free tools like Good Budget or a simple spreadsheet, whatever works for you. Pro Tip 3. Recalculate when your income changes. Got a raise, lost a client, switched jobs. Update your budget so it still makes sense. Bonus tip: be flexible. Some months you'll save more, some less. That's okay. The point is to keep moving forward. Even if you shift to 60/30ths, 10 or 70/20ths, 10, the principle stays the same. Spend on needs, enjoy some wants, and build your future. Now let's wrap it up. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by money, just remember, you don't need to be a finance expert to get ahead. You just need a plan. And the 50-30-20 rule is one of the best, so whether you're earning £1,500 or £5,000 a month, you can apply this rule starting today. If this video helped, hit the like button. Subscribe for more clear, practical money tips every week. And drop a comment below. What does your 50-30-20 breakdown look like? You never know. Your example might help someone else. Thanks for watching, and remember, small changes now can lead to big results later. Bye guys.